Hey there! I wanted to jump on and show you what we got at the Mary Kay Seminar this year. So, if you don't know, it's a humongous celebration we do once a year. And there's education and awards. The first night is awards, so you get all glammed up. And there's just hours of rewards, such as diamonds and cars and all the things. It's super cool. And it's very fun and very positive. So the first product, we'll go over skincare first. So we received the Time Wise Repair Volume Firm. It's the night cream with retinol and has a time-released retinol. So it has a pump, an exact pump. So you pump one down and it gets from here to here. And it gives you an exact amount that you need, and it's also airtight. And there's nothing left when it's done. It is completely finishes. My American director had peeled it open to see, does it actually get all the product out with this pump? And it does, which is really cool. I can totally imagine her doing that. She's super cute. So the Time Wise, this is the line that's generally for people slightly younger. I would say maybe 42 and under. So this is called Time Wise. So it basically is very preventative for wrinkles, sunspots, loss of collagen, all those items that most people don't want. Some people don't care, which is their own thing, and that's totally fine. So this is the Daytime Defender. So it has antioxidants and many other benefits, which I can go over this line in a different video because there are a lot of cool things it does. But it has the SPF. So I recommend, even if it's gloomy and yucky outside, please wear your SPF because the sun is always out. You're getting something regardless if it's sunny or not. And why not? This product is beautiful, you guys. I've never in my life tried an SPF that is this elegant, and it just goes so well into the skin. It does not leave a white cast. It does not mess with your makeup. It's beautiful. I recommend it very highly. The day cream that goes with this line, so the repair line, is also very, very gorgeous. But again, it's, you know, usually for people, I would say maybe 42 and older. That's not always the same for everybody, so that's why it's good to have a personal consultation so you're not getting stuff that you don't need. You know, why spend money you don't need to spend? So we got the new perfume release, and it is gorgeous. It's called Confidently You. I am not going to open it right now, but I just can't wait. I've smelled it already. It smells incredible. Basically, so we received this when we signed in this time, and the award ceremony was filled with this perfume, and it is really beautiful. I am not a perfume person usually. They make me sneeze and just go crazy. I just can't take it allergy-wise. Not this brand, so that's good. So that one I'm looking forward to wearing a lot. Our most intense mascara is called Lash Intensity. So this is one of those like one coat and you're done if you want. I never do one coat because I like a lot of mascara. This I ripped open like a wild animal. It's made its way to my purse. So this is our hydrating lipstick. I can do, if you want to see a video on our different lines of lipsticks, let me know. We also have the waterproof lip liner. That's not a problem, I can do that. And then our new release. So I talked about this in another video. So we had a retinol, pure retinol, that was 0.5, but it took about approximately 2 weeks to ramp up to being able to use it every day, which is very common with retinol. So we had like a calming agent that you would put a calming solution over it, and they decided that they wanted something that people could use right away every day. So with this one, it's a 0.3, and it's meant to be used every single day from the start, and you can use it in conjunction with this. So this does not have enough retinol to interact with this. They have tested it, so that's good. This product, I would say, even people in their 20s, because as we know, retinol helps build and retain collagen. It helps with wrinkles and dark spots and all kinds of uneven textures and different things. So I'm looking forward to trying this. And I feel like people are gonna have questions about this. One thing to know, as far as when I most recently looked, and I do try and keep up on this stuff because I need to make sure clients know this, is that you do not want to use a retinol if you are pregnant. So just if you're in your 20s and you're using a retinol, please, please, please consult with your doctor and just make sure that it is, most will say absolutely don't touch it. So, and who cares, just wait until afterwards. You're gonna look plump and beautiful anyways, so don't worry. So that's it, and we got a nice beautiful bag. It's too big to hold up, which is really nice. All the products come with information guides, and I am here if you have any questions. So this, I would guess, I think they said it was, all of this was probably maybe 160 pounds or something like that. Just a free product for showing up and going to the seminar and having a good time. And we got glammed up and we wore gold dresses and did our hair and makeup, even extra, because I love doing makeup. I do. Just who I am. All right, so any questions, let me know. And yeah, there you go. All right, talk to you later.